welcome back to Graveyard Creepers. We're on part 4 of this facade build. What we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of lighting to this, make it where I can take it apart and stuff, because I still got to paint everything. But this is kind of light we're going to put up, and I'm going to put some fire bulbs in it. So I kind of got these out of the garbage, so they worked at one time, but they've been in the rain and weather, so I hope they still work. If not, I'll figure it out and redo them. So let's go ahead and put these lights in. And what we'll do, we just made it from the ground up. So I want my lights approximately right in here. Let's say probably about right at that, about 80 inches. I think that should be sufficient. Try to keep both the same from the ground. Okay, so we got about 80 inches there. And I got about 11 there, so we're at 5.5. So 5.5. That should be approximately my first hole. This is 5.5 here. Should be about my second hole. So we'll drill that out. Oh, there you go. So we'll drill those out, then we'll run some wiring in there and we'll hook it up and see if it works. Right, Zoe? Right, Zoe dog? So what I got here, guys, this is just a paddle bit. If I can get to stay on my drill. So there we go with that, and we'll go behind, and we'll drill a hole in from behind too. Is that two-parter? It's pretty easy, guys. Just straightforward lighting, putting the lights up. So this isn't too bad. So you got your black, you got your white, and you got your ground. So we'll put that in there. So there you go, guys. There's the mummy back again. I know you guys are getting tired of seeing the mummy, but I'm trying to give you step by step of what I'm trying to do. And it's gonna go to the side. So let's set him back up. So I'm gonna have to fix him anyway so he stays in there. I have to run a rod and all shit. Anyway, guys, there you go. Like I said, I know you're getting tired of seeing this build, and it's just a little bit of time. I'm only getting a couple hours here, there, and yonder. Take 4. All right, guys, there's the lights we installed on the mummy cage, or whatever you want to call it, the facade. Still gonna do a lot of painting here. What we'll do is we're gonna paint all the walls black. Then we're gonna just do some white fade and probably some blue fade in it. Maybe a couple other colors. I'm gonna try to make it as simple as possible. That way I don't have a lot of time invested in a whole setup like this. Now you can spend hours and hours on building this stuff to get it all right. I don't have that kind of time, so we're trying to get it down to a minimum and make it look good still. Anyway, I took some old lights that I got out of the garbage. These are the kind with the motion sensor in it, and they were messed up from being wet, so I took all the guts out of this one and hooked it straight up, and I'm probably going to go back and do this in the same way. That way I don't have to worry about all the guts being, corroded over a period of time. I'll just wire it straight in. And but yeah, there you go, guys. This is just the lighting. These are the fire lights. So I just wanted to share that with you and let you know, even garbage stuff that you can use to soup up your haunted house or whatever. But there it is. But there you go, guys. I just wanted to share that with you. We appreciate you watching, and please like, share, subscribe. And if you like this kind of content, let me know so I can keep putting out more and more content. I've kind of upped my game a little bit on my YouTube channel. I was doing graveyards and stuff like that, which I still will do as I can get to them. My main focus is the Halloween stuff right now, but I will get back to the graveyard stuff when slow season hits again. And so I have a couple things on my YouTube channel, kind of spooky, death related, I guess. I don't like just going to a normal graveyard. Hey, look, here's headstones and here's this and here's that. I like some kind of a story behind it. I like abandoned stuff, overgrown graveyards, anything like that. So I have a few more. I got to get to those to get those up to you guys. But we're going to focus on our Halloween stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please like, share, subscribe. And we'll see you on the next build. Just remember, it don't have to be perfect. It can be garbage. Just build it. Thanks for watching, guys.